How to make money on Freelancer as an Instagram caption writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to find a Instagram caption writer, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill categories. And let's wait for it to load, and then you'll be able to see all of the freelancers in here who are doing that job or that skill. And here you can browse all categories, and by scrolling down we will be able to find the skill you were searching for. So let's scroll. So here we have the writing and content category. So I think this is where we can find Instagram caption writer. So here we have academy, blogging, book, braille, business plan writing, business writing, headlines, forum, fiction, fact, essay writing, editing, cover letter, copy typing, copy editing, content writing. I think that's what you're looking for, a content writer. So let's go to content writer in here. And as you can see, you can hire expert content writers for any job. So let's scroll down to see their profiles, and here click on see more content writers. Then you'll be able to see their profiles where they are showcasing their skills. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this for your own skill, to showcase it to the freelancers or the visitors of this platform. So first, let's remove online users to see all of the users in here. We have this one. He has 5-star ratings. He gets paid $30 per hour. And we have this one as well. So let's check this one in here, just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. And that is how to create a profile like this one, how to add a cover photo to your profile, how to add a profile picture, and how to enter your description where you're going to talk about yourself, where you've studied, how many years of experience you have, where did you learn that skill, and those kind of stuff. Also, I'm going to show you how to verify all of those things, how to have them all verified. Then I'm going to show you how you can add your portfolio, because it's very important. Clients like to see the kind of service they're getting first before hiring you. And after that, I'm going to show you how you can add your top skills. And in this platform, you can add just up to 20 if you are new to the platform. And if you are old here, you can add more than 20, like this one here. I think he added, I think this is more than 20 skills. It would be about 50 skills, I think. So yeah, he has more than 50 skills. You can't even reach the end. This is more than 50 skills. As you can see, he can do a lot of skills, and that's actually very bad, because you need to concentrate on one to 5 skills and then master them, and then you can make more money doing 5 skills than the money you will be making doing a whole lot of skills. So after showing you how you can add your skills, then I'm not going to show you anything more, because the reviews, you cannot control them. They are controlled by the clients. The one thing you can do is to deliver a great job to your clients. Then you will have eventually great reviews. So let's go up, let's close this one, and let's show you how you can create your profile. And here click on earn money freelancing. Then you will proceed to creating your profile. You fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. And here let's wait for it to load. And this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. And by going up here, you can control everything about your account and your finances as well. And here in your account, you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insight, and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, you can see your transaction history, your financial dashboard, your payment sharing, and also you can head to the support if you've encountered any problems. You can invite friends as well, and you can log out from the platform. So let's go up to view profile in here. And here, as you can see, the profile looks very empty. We have nothing in it. So let's start by editing our profile. And here, make sure to verify your email first. Then you proceed to enter in your profile picture. After that, add a cover photo as well. Then you proceed to the verifications. As I said in the beginning, they're very important. You cannot work in here without having your verifications. So here you're going to join the preferred freelancers group, verify your identity, verify your payment method, your phone number, and your Facebook account. After that, you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. It's how much you will get paid per hour. Then you add your professional headline and your summary as well, where you're going to talk a little bit about yourself, your experiences, where did you study, the years of experience you have, and then you proceed to the skills. So here you're going to enter your top skills. So let's remove resumes in here, and let's add our skill, which is Instagram caption writer. Let's remove writer, remove caption, and here we have Instagram marketing, we have Instagram ads, verification. You can choose what you can do, and then click on save to save those adjustments, and then go to browse, click on projects. Then you will be able to find jobs that you can do. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.